Hi, I'm Allie Cook of Dentistry Today, and we're here at the Greater New York Dental Meeting. I'm sitting here at the MacPractice booth with Mr. Mark Hollis, who is president of MacPractice. Mark, it's nice to see you.
Hi, nice to see you, Allie.
And I understand you have a new app. Can you show it to us?
Yes, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about it. It's MacPractice DDS Clipboard for iPad. So basically, it replaces a clipboard in a dental office. You're allowed the front desk can pull up a list of all the patients that are scheduled to be seen today, basically by tapping on their name and then indicating which forms, whether this is a new patient or a return patient to the practice. That will then determine the forms that will be pulled up for the patient. And then after pulling up these forms, they simply are able to hand the iPad to the patient, and the patient is able to flip through the forms and fill in the information. Like this. These are the instructions that the patient gets, and basically they just slide through with their finger and they fill in the information on the form with both their health history, all their patient registration information.
Now, how does this work with MacPractice DDS?
That's a great question. So one of the purposes of this is to make all of the everything electronic in the office. Every doctor's office is asking the question, how do I go paperless? But in addition to that, the other thing is to make the front desk staff more productive in the office. So what it allows the patient to be able to do is actually enter their information, which is then added into MacPractice in their record automatically without having to view a form. But in addition to that, after having completed all the forms, the patient can actually sign the forms on the iPad, and then a PDF version of those forms is actually brought into MacPractice in attachments. So they have an electronic version of all the paperwork. They also have all the data entry for the patient registration is directly into the application.
And I understand there's also a federal incentive for doctors to use this program. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, well, there's a federal incentive program which is from the Office of the National Coordinator and Medicare, CMS. So both Medicare and Medicaid participants who are dentists are able to use a certified application. MacPractice is an ONC ATCB 2011-2012 certified EHR, and if they store and report certain clinical information that MacPractice can assist them in doing, then they can qualify for Medicaid for as much as $63,750 per provider. That's per provider, Allie. That means that a multi-provider practice can get $63,750 per provider for each provider. In the first year, they receive a payment of $21,500 for simply having purchased or adopted or upgraded to a certified product.
Excellent. And one last question for you. Where can people go for more information?
Then go to MacPractice.com. They can register there. When they register, they'll receive an email with my name on it, Mark Hollis, and they will receive a username and password and a link to look at videos of the application.
All right, wonderful. Mark Hollis of MacPractice, thank you so much.
Thank you, Allie.
And once again, for more information, you can visit our website at dentistrytoday.com.